back to yet another vlog. Now this is just planned 5 minutes ago and we're right into it. So what we're doing is today is 7th of August and Rohi's birthday is on 24th of August.
Planning and deciding what to do.
Yeah, so I've thought about Nike shoes for him, and for shoes I'm thinking to get RO done because that's what I call him. I want to get RO engraved on the shoes. Now I don't know how would he perceive it or everybody else would, but I really loved it, so I just thought let me do it for him. So we're going to the Nike showroom right now to find out how the process works and what do we have to do for that, the cost, the process and everything about it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We came to buy for Ro. We bought something for Doll. You too. Thank you. What's up, people? So today is 21st and we started planning I think on 7th or 8th and cut to today is because we were not able to actually get the things that we wanted या फिर जो हम चाहते थे जैसे हम चाहते थे वैसे नहीं हो रहा था. So we just had to let go of so many things and now we finally got the shoes for him from Puma, and Puma also has a personalization in Hyderabad. They actually have a store, and in Nike the problem is they have very selected pieces जहाँ पे आप customize करवा सकते हो, and एक बार customize हो गया and if he doesn't fit in the size then I couldn't do anything, so that is why I didn't want to take that risk and इसलिए हमने वो plan drop करके we have got these shoes, and if the size is perfect for Ro then हम लोग बाद में भी customize करवा सकते हैं by going to the store in Banjara Hills.
So in short, I really want to tell this कि आप ना birthday planning 2 महीने पहले से किया करो. Like imagine we started 20 days back. But in between she was also not well, so we couldn't do anything. But yeah, so no, मतलब बस 2 ही दिन बचे उसके birthday को and we are still not done with anything.
And on top of everything, the decor girl that we hired has bailed on us. Like she was literally,
Yeah,
I just
we
called her
will
randomly today to check if
on
you know.
her that if she will be doing things or not, and she said I am not in the town.
So she's very casually telling us ki that is why I didn't give the confirmation because for an emergency I've just come out of town or something. If you're not doing it and if you've left the town altogether, just let us know.
Update us, it will be easy for everyone. Like
Yeah. What's up, people? So it's 23rd evening and I'm here blowing the balloons for the day. And this theme that we have chosen is blue and grey. That's what I wanted to do. I just thought it looks nice, and these are pastel in color. And I think pastel decoration is really in right now. And इसके बाद पूरा preparation करने के बाद I will go there and take the decor with me, and then we'll just have to stick it. So there's this interesting thing that we didn't know about. Just so you can actually create the arch, and so it's this tape which has holes in it. If you can see closely, you can actually create the pattern, the kind of pattern that you would like. This balloon bumper is the savior, no sister?
yes.
It's so easy to work with this tape. सब कुछ इसके अंदर फिक्स कर सकते हो आप. अंदर से जाएगा बाहर से जाएगा. And फिर इसके अंदर ये 3 के अंदर डालना है. Our setup is ready right in time. Very basic homely setup, and this is Rohi's cake.
Oh, biryani.
Your favorite place. You said you didn't want the cake, right?
Definitely.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
दम सही है ना.
दम देख रहे हो आप, उसके अंदर दम सही है या नहीं?
अच्छा लगा आपको?
ठीक है, सब करके लाते.
चलो.
यही है जो भी है. To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday दिखा डेकोरेशन दिखा इसको विश तो करना है
थैंक यू
आज तो मैं दे जल्दी खाओ घर पे can't see you no this is Nayanditi camera that is Nikhil Jiru finally hardly visible Nikhil Jiru okay camera okay bye camera meet Dev and Deep hi camera meet Dev and Deep they are twins
Shruti Srivastava, Sachin, happy birthday Rohit, stay blessed, have a great one. Thank you so much Shruti. Shruti बोल के लिखूंगा.
Roy is basically responding to all the people who commented on my Instagram post, which is really cute and generous of you to do. You should actually respond to them.
Kancha Mishra, you both look so cute together. Happy birthday to him. Thank you to her.
Cutie. So there's a travel couple that I follow. They're not from here. They're from outside India, and I've usually seen that the Indian creators, whenever you message them or anything, they don't respond at all. They just like and leave it.
Deepthi Meghna, she just commented a heart smiley, so I liked it. Bubbly Shona, happy birthday. Thank you, Bubbly Shona.
So, yes, I was just saying that those people and I actually, and then there's this travel couple that I follow from somewhere else, and whenever I message them or comment on their pictures, they for sure come back to me and they respond to the DM. Every time I DM them, I get the response from them. It feels really good because somebody that you just follow and admire on internet, you've not even met them, but then they put the effort to actually reply their followers back or reply the people who actually admire their work back, and it feels good. Birthday was great. We
Very
spent
good. It was a chilled out day.
we kind of spent the time off phone and social media also. We were just spending time together, chilling together, didn't really do much. Literally just chilled throughout the day. He's checking all the stories and being courteous
have a
enough
simple-
today. As I was just saying, he didn't want to do anything fancy, so we didn't do anything fancy. We just did what he likes doing, that is chill, not do anything, and
No phone calls for 2 hours.
no phone calls, nothing really, and we spent a lot of time together. What else did we do? And also, he wanted to go for the family dinner.
So we have had a very
we've had a very
heavy
intimate dinner with the family.
Yes.
And that's it. Calling it a day.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Now Roy is being courteous. He as such is a very antisocial person, doesn't really open Instagram very often. Once a while when he feels like doing it is when he does it, but very very rarely. Very very rarely he will open Instagram. But today he made that effort to open Instagram, repost everyone's story, and also thank them and message them, and also, like I already mentioned, comment on everything. And that's it. Calling it today. Bye. Actually, these are the fonts that you can select from, and you have the color option. the shortest picture, we're going with this one because we're getting it done here. You can also get it done here, so I think this will look pretty here. And then that's the process. Thank you. We're getting the other one done now. What's up, people? So the customization is just done. It took about 4 hours because the technician at the Puma was a new person and it was just taking a lot of time and there was like a lot of chaos there. But it's okay, what happened happened. And now the shoes are ready and I'm like kind of happy that's finally done because I've really been planning to do this. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I understand there's like not a lot of footage from his birthday, but this is about it.